I have the Samsung Galaxy A14, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to revert back to the default theme. So let's say you had changed the theme and now you want your original theme back. What you need to do is go into settings, if you can find it. So here's settings. On the settings page, you want to go to themes, tap on that. And then that opens Galaxy themes. So go to the bottom right corner and tap on menu, and then tap on my stuff. So that opens everything you've downloaded and installed. So what you need to do is select your default theme. Your default theme will always be in the top left corner. It will always be the first theme in the list, and it says default. Okay, so all you need to do is tap on it and tap on apply, and that's going to apply your default theme. There you go. So it takes you back to the default theme of your phone. Now if you want to, you can also go ahead and delete that theme that you had downloaded. So you can go into settings, go back to themes, and then tap on the menu, go back to my stuff, and you should see that theme is still there, although it's not active. So what you can do is tap on it once to select it, and then hit the delete button. Okay, and then confirm you want to delete, and that's going to delete that theme that you had downloaded. But that's basically how to revert back to the default theme on your Samsung Galaxy A14. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.